Twitch is an immensely popular streaming service that lets users broadcast their games over the internet. So if you own a Windows PC and fancy the thought of presenting your gaming skills for the whole world to see, then you are at the right place as we tell you how to Twitch stream your games using a Windows PC. First up, download OBS Studio. The link will be in the description down below. Once downloaded, open it and go through the setup process. Once installed, click on Finish. Now the next step will involve you to start a game. In our case, we'll be using CSGO for our stream. So we'll be opening CSGO and we'll keep it running in the background. Now open OBS Studio. And this is how the layout looks like at the start. So the first thing we are going to add is the game screen. To do that, under the source menu, click on the plus icon and select Game Capture. Click on OK. Now choose the capture specific window mode. Below that, choose window and select CSGO and hit OK. Now there's a black empty space on the right. To fill that up, hold Shift on your keyboard and drag the corner using the mouse cursor until it perfectly fits. And with this, you have just added your game screen. Next up, we are going to set up our webcam menu. To do that, again click on the plus icon under the source menu and this time select Video Capture Device and hit OK. On the next screen, choose your device and hit OK. In our case, we are using the inbuilt webcam. Now, similar to the last step, arrange the dimensions of your webcam window by dragging it from the corners. And you can place it anywhere on the screen according to your liking. Next, we'll add an extra mic so that your audio and the game audio don't get mixed up. To do that, we have plugged in a pair of headphones to our laptop first. After that, click the plus icon from under the source menu and select Audio Input Capture. Click on OK. Select your device and hit OK again. Now under the mixer menu, you can adjust your volume input as well as the game volume input. Lastly, we'll add a bit of customization to the stream. To do that, click on the plus icon from under the source menu and select Image. Hit OK. Now browse for the file that you'd like to put in as an overlay. Choose Open and hit OK. Adjust it accordingly and that's all. So with these steps, your stream will be almost ready. Why almost? Because there are still a few tweaks that need to be done here and there. Go to Settings and choose Video. Now select your base resolution, output resolution and FPS values. In our case, we have set it to 720p resolution at 60 FPS. Note that these settings totally depend on the hardware of your computer. The better the hardware, the best settings you can apply. Now once you save changes and go back, you'll have to readjust your stream screen because the resolution just changed. No problem, just select the layers one by one and readjust. Once done, again go back to Settings, click on Stream. As you can see, the service is already set to Twitch. Click on Use Stream Key, and to get the stream key, open Chrome and log into your Twitch account. From the main screen, click on your profile picture on the top right and select Creator Dashboard. On the menu that appears on the left, scroll down and click on Channel under the Settings tab. You'll notice there's a primary stream key up top. Choose it and click the copy button right next to it. Now go back to OBS and paste the stream key. Close the menu and save changes. The last step would involve going back to Twitch and from the menu that's on the left, scroll back up, enter the title for your stream and hit Update Information. That's all. Now go back to OBS and hit Start Streaming to get started. So we have started the stream and we'll search for it on Twitch to see how it looks like. And this is what you can expect your stream to look like when you will give it a try. So this is how you set up OBS and start streaming your PC games on Twitch. That's all for this video. We hope you found this helpful, and if you did, then please hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Also subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon so you know when we post a new awesome video. Thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.